Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Good afternoon. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Lots happened. Nothing that you thought was going to happen happened, but take you on a little tour here and show you what did happen, and then we'll go from there. Check this out. So, we murdered a bunch of wasps. That was fun. The frame to Big Red is now tilted up and leaning against the house instead of being down. The Chrysler 300 is now here. I took the seat, one of the two seats out, put it in my shed so it didn't become a big fishbowl and get destroyed. Washed my camper, which it desperately needed. You guys can see back here, I got this guy up here on this camper. I don't know who that is. I think it's Big Ron. He's up there cleaning his camper. He's got a Lance truck camper, and it goes inside a Big Red, and I've got the, I think it's a 35-foot reflection, Grand Design Reflection 150 series. It's the 278 BH, which is bunkhouse, and this is what we live in when Megan is doing travel X-ray CAT scan stuff. So that needed to happen. Now, in doing that, the frame I've been telling you guys about forever. This is the frame, and it's not that frame. That's the thing frame. This is the 1973 Super Beetle Convertible frame. Okay. Now, a lot has actually been done to this frame. It's got new floor pans. Ron welded up the tunnel and all of that. It's all that repair has been done. I went ahead a couple years ago. I put the new shifter bushings in, all of that. You can see it down in there. See the urethane bushings for the shifter, that's in there. Your control arm bushings are here. They're the urethane. They're these actually. Bump stops are urethane. The what else? The knobby urethane bushings and the smooth that go in here are done. All the gaskets, all the bearings, and everything are done. The only thing not done on the back is it needs new shocks, and it needs the brakes redone. Go through the brakes, and clearly it needs a tire. This is the only one I had that would fit, and it is garbage. But as we come up here, I've got a new shifter with the Impy short shifter ready to go. I've got the big bore master cylinder from Impy. Here's all the front suspension parts and bits. So there's the spindles with the stock drum brakes, the top hat and dust cover. These are the Impy adjustable struts mounts with the Impy struts, brand new, with the spring, new coil springs. So that's all here. That's what's going to go on it. Our control arms, I guess. I have brand new tie rod ends right here that I'm going to press in. I've also got the urethane bushing kit for everything, sway bar, control arms, all of that. I got everything to put that together. So yeah, and then we have the steering rack, and honestly this frame is off of 76, so I have a little work to do there, unless I just buy a different body, which might just happen. And if I buy a different body, I'll buy like a 76 or 79 and add that. But yeah, so kind of what's going to happen here, guys. I need to put this underneath the Super Beetle, which is on the side yard over here. Because currently the frame that is under it does not roll. The rear brakes are locked up, and I just don't feel like screwing with it. There's not a usable part on it other than maybe the transmission. So the plan here is to finish everything as far as I can take this, as quick as I can take this. Like, I don't want to spend more than half a day on it. Basically press the tie rod ends, you know, rent a spring compressor. I think we might even have one. And get the top hats on, the struts, and basically I've already taken all but 3 body bolts out of the Super Beetle, which I don't know if you can see from here. Let's find out. Back there, you guys can see, I think, the Super Beetle Convertible, right? So what I need to do is I need to take that body, which literally I've got 3 bolts I just need to grind the heads off of, body bolts, and then I need to lift it up, put it on concrete blocks and 4x4s. I need to roll, well, I say roll, drag the old frame out, and then from there roll this frame in. And then if you guys know anything about Super Beetles, they got that independent front suspension, so like this I can just roll in and out with the beam, right? It's great. This is just like a big floppy pain in the ass until you hook these struts into the body, right, like a normal car, and then everything's tight and you're good. But you got to get to that point. So I got to get this in kind of the way it looks, and then hook all of this up back there and get it to where it rolls, so that I can at least roll it. And then I think I'm going to bring the Super Beetle Convertible and put it right here. Get it out of the backyard for now, to where I can at least see it and mess with it from time to time. For those of you that don't know, the Super Beetle Convertible is my wife Megan's. We bought this. We bought it from the same guy that we bought the thing from. And it's not really fair that I built the thing first, but you know, it is what it is. So, long story short, we bought it from him. I think I've got 500 bucks in it, and you know, I have some parts. You know, I spent a lot of time and money on frame and suspension parts for it over the years, over the past, I think, 2 years. And you know, we knew the frame was crap that was under it, and it needed floors. So a guy in Miami had this frame, and I went and got it. And he also had the hood to the thing. That's where I got that. So I went down there and picked that up from him, and it had all these parts minus the new stuff, all the stock original crap, everything new I purchased. And yeah, so it's kind of what we got here. I'm going to try to put this thing together a bit more than it is, and just kind of make it something worth having, you know. And probably put this together for her. She wants a stock ride height, turquoise and white with the white walls with the hubcaps, and then she wants to do like her own custom white with like quilt style door panels and seats and stuff. So could be pretty cute. It's got potential, but in order to get to that point, we got to get this under it, and then from there, you know, there's a lot of work there, metal work. Matter of fact, stay tuned. I'm gonna run back there and I'll give you a tour of the car. I'll be right back. Okay guys, Welcome back. So this is my basket case 1973 Super Beetle Convertible. So this is what we're dealing with. A lot of rot. It's got rot here, it's got rot here, across there, I got a hole here. Doors are okay. I got a little bit of rot down here. Got a problem here, clearly. They sell this panel, but I mean I could probably make it just as easy. You know, just a whole lot of work, guys. So when I say I'm almost not enthusiastic about it, I mean that. You can see here where it's just, you know, it's got some rot. So, long story short, this is our 73 Super Beetle Convertible, and it is now home to half the wasps in the county. Great. So what we're gonna do, here's our pool, by the way. We're gonna build this thing, but it's gonna be, the question of the day is it gonna be this body, or is it gonna be, you know, go buy another body for 500 bucks and set it on the good frame, which is realistically something that can happen here. So don't get too excited about this particular Super Beetle being saved. It may or may not, but again, there's some good parts on it. You know, but she's in need of some love. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys what we were doing. We're getting ready to eat dinner. Hope you guys had a great Memorial Day, and we're going to keep on keeping on. Everything we did today was in preparation, other than washing the campers, for painting the thing. So hopefully next week we'll be painting the thing. That's my hope. So see where we get. Tomorrow we'll be back on it for sure. And you know, I don't have any intention of getting too sidetracked with you know, this kind of stuff. We got to get the thing done. So, and as the parts come, we'll have there's a ton of parts coming. I'll do an unboxing of everything and show you guys what we got and so on and so forth, and we'll go from there. But anyway, I'm gonna go eat dinner. Hope you guys have a great night, and stay tuned for more on this 1973 Super Beetle Convertible. And we're gonna try to save it, maybe. Let's see what happens. Talk to you guys later.